So I would say the way you want to study ACJ is you want to look at the templates that the NDEB provided. So you start with what templates they have, and that's basically a question with options, but without an actual case. And from that, you can start backwards and see what possible questions could come, and use that answer template to study from. Now, most courses will do that for you and help you in work and looking at the options and working backwards. So the subjects in the ACJ, for example, you have pathology. You got to learn how to look at pictures and diagnose, and also how to treat pathologies. You have investigation, what you need to do, or the procedures you need to do to diagnose a case. You have endodontics, which mainly focuses on diagnosis. You have perio charts, where you have to learn diagnosis and what to treat for that specific disease. You have local anesthesia, what techniques you want to use, and the calculations as well for different procedures. So the techniques you need to use for different procedures. You have pharmacology, where this is one of the new things that they added to ACJ, where you have to read a prescription and evaluate what's correct and incorrect in that prescription, or the errors in that prescription. Another one is, if you keep going, you have then medical emergencies, diagnosis and treatment as well. Ortho, there's a lot of photos in ortho and cephs that you have to kind of evaluate, and then you could diagnose and put what you see in the picture, angle classification, and also treatment planning. And then you could get at the end to the radiology, which makes almost half of the exam. So that's pretty much the ACJ. If you study all of that and start practicing cases, what I think is the most important thing is getting used or trying to get to case practice as fast as you can, because that's what really matters in the exam, is practicing cases, because it's a different feeling when you do a case than when you study information. And we focus on that, is that we want students to get to that point as soon as possible. We focus on giving information in a kind of crash course, then focusing on doing a lot of cases over time, so that you become very familiar with answering a case question.